Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. This is a quick crypto market update, just highlighting Bitcoin and essentially CME futures and Bitcoin dominance. So we want to look at Bitcoin here, just kind of give you a quick summarization if you missed the analysis from yesterday, the day before. We're in a bullish type of pattern here for Bitcoin, ranging effectively in a bullish type of rectangle between 83,000 roughly and about 85.5. So when we break that range, we're more likely to go higher than lower, just based on the simple fact that we derive from the downside, and there's bullish indications that we're above a lot of key level supports. So reinforcing that support at 83,000 with that 0.68 fib level, that is there. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin dominance, big thumbs down here, essentially, just to kind of give you perspective on how this is not a good sign for altcoins. Essentially, just kind of giving you perspective. So Bitcoin dominance rather, has been moving up here recently. So pretty much what that boils down to is that with Bitcoin stabilizing, we're in this stable alts situation right now. Okay, so what we were looking for is we want to see Bitcoin dominance start to stabilize or come down, because that would put us in a position of a much better position for altcoins. For right now, we can expect best case scenario is sideways price action for altcoins until Bitcoin dominance starts to come back down. That's really where we're at right now. So it's nothing super substantial or awesome. It just is what it is. But at this point, we can see altcoin dominance is slightly rising here. So there's some bottoming out potential, but it's still not a great look here. Okay. Last but not least would be CME futures here. With today being a holiday, keep this in mind. It is Friday and it's holiday. It's almost as if it's a Saturday or Sunday at this point. So until we get traditional markets to reopen or CME futures to reopen on Sunday afternoon, effectively, we see the candlestick closed at about 85,300. So 85.3 is that close approximate of where we got the closure on CME futures. So hypothetically, if our price is below that level come Sunday or Monday, we should experience the price action to increase to that level. So ideally, we kind of stay in the 84 to 85K range this weekend. So there's no CME gap effectively, but if there is one, just know the price may return back to that $85,000 range. So that's kind of all we got there, folks. Nothing super crazy. It's just kind of a dead market right now with the holiday weekend. I hope you're safe out there. Be better off, honestly, just touching grass and hanging out on the sidelines waiting for better price action. I look forward to working with you either way. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you the next one. Take care.